Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So it's going to only have subordinates. All these are locations, not a location hierarchy. So I can create one in the above and then go all the way up to the country and then to the continent level and then the global level. I haven't created one as such. So it's going to have only all these locations over here. Same way. I will do it for company as well. Like I said, Alphabet is going to be an organization under Alphabet. I'll have local, and then, under Google, I will have Google, Google US, Google Europe, Google India, Google Japan, Google Southeast Asia. I can have so many companies. So that's where the company hierarchy is going to come in. Same way cost center hierarchy. So I'm going to have sales marketing admin code report to an overall hierarchy which is called as all admin, higher admin, cost center hierarchy, and all the way up to the global one. All this you will see in financial reporting. That's what I just want you to tie this all together. Alright. See over here. What I did was I went to the organization and I went to edit supervisory organization. I come to the bottom ICR assignments there. I have company cost center, region and locations. I think we have already seen about how to do that for locations. Alright. So today I want you to concentrate on company cost centers. We already have a default one. I want you to assign a one that you are going to possibly create. Do you have to remove the default ones? You can remove the default ones. Just remove the default one and assign the one that you're going to be possibly creating. It is like something test or something. And once you do that, you will see a whole different kind of an experience, because based on the company, because my company is going to have different other roles as well. So once you do that, what will happen is all of this. The roles that you have over here is going to undergo a change because you're going to bring in some new roles which are going to be signed at a possibly company or a location or a cost center level, if I do have the sign, and so over there. All of this is going to change, because you need to. That is why I'm just trying to say you need to understand actually how all of this ties down in a real world. Because in a real-world department I could have a location level and India or a US level country manager. I could also have a cost center finance manager. The finance manager is going to come from my cost center hierarchy. A country manager is going to come from a location hierarchy. Whereas my supervisor organization is going to be feeding my CEO, my admin-related people and other folks. So all of this is going to die down in your organization chart, your organization hierarchy. This is what I want you to really understand right now, and if you can relate it to your real-world organization where you're working, that's nothing like it. That will help you a lot. Now, I'm just showing you here a small hierarchy. The next thing, what we saw ideally. So this is just an organization hierarchy. Like I said, industry group could have like multiple subordinate organizations like product, financials, healthcare, and financials could be like insurance and banking, and products could be like retail, like a type of site or anything specific. Any other specifics. So just a simple example of an org hierarchy, how an org hierarchy is going to look like. Clear on this and the activity. Like I said, you're expected to create a location and a cost center, company hierarchies. So you're expected to create all of these and also create sample companies, locations, and cost centers and target. So your supervisory organization that you created. And one thing, like I said in the start of the class, whatever you have created right now, the supervisory organizations, cost centers, everything, we are going to be having an incremental to that. So if you have missed doing some of your activities so far, please work on those over the weekend, because we're going to be continuing on whatever you have created right now towards hiring and everything. So it's going to be easy if you create it and catch up over the weekend. Otherwise, it's going to pile up and it's going to be difficult for you as we proceed along, because we're going to be seeing more and more advanced topics. And it's going to be difficult for you to catch up at a later point of time.